Let's start the next exercise. The first question is ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC, and vertex A and D are on the same side of BC. If AD is extended to intersect BC at P, show that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD and APB is congruent to ACP. AP bisect angle A as well as D. AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. So let's see a small demonstration here. I have drawn the lines as per the question requires, and by folding it from the line AP, we see that both the triangles coincide and they form a 90-degree angle. That means that AP is a perpendicular bisector of BC. Considering triangle ABD, this two slant triangles ABD and ACD, we have AB is equals to AC because it's an isosceles triangle, so this side is equals to this side. DB is equals to DC because this small triangle DBC is also an isosceles triangle, so these two sides are also equal, and AD is common. So in triangle ABD and ACD are congruent by using SAS, and by CPCT we get BAD, BAND, this angle is equals to CAD, this angle. And another part we get from the CPCT is ABD, this angle is equals to this angle. We have proved this. Now let's prove this. So in triangle ABP, AB and P, and triangle AC and P, we have AP is common, AB is equals to AC, this angle is equals to this angle. So from SA and S rule, we get that ABP is congruent to ACP. This part is also done, and from here we get the two data of from CPCT that this line is equals to this line. We have proved that AP is bisector but not yet perpendicular, and triangle APB, APB and APC are equal. So let's prove now it is a perpendicular. If these two angles, this angle and this angle are equal, then their sum would be 180, and if they are equal, we can say that twice of angle APB is equals to 180. By rearranging, we get APB is equals to 90, as I have done here. APB is equals to APC, and APB plus APC is 180, and hence these two triangles are equal. APB can be written as this, and by rearranging and solving by algebra, we get these two things. So hence we have proved that AP is a perpendicular and a bisector of BC. We have done this part. So let's prove this part. And we have already proved that angle A is bisected by AP when we prove that this angle is equals to this angle. So we have to prove that this angle is equals to this angle for the last thing. So considering these two small DBP and triangle DCP, DB is equals to DC as is an isosceles triangle, BP is equals to BC, this part, because P is at the midpoint of BC, and DP is common. So by SSS rule we get that ABP is equals to ACP. This is solved.